Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to freeze your WeChat account. Now, if your WeChat account is compromised or you lost your phone, this might happen to you or your friend. Just follow the step-by-step tutorial on how you can freeze that WeChat account in order not to lose some of the information on that WeChat account. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is open up your WeChat app. So for instance, if this is happening to a friend, you have to use your WeChat account. But if it is happening to you, you have to use another person's WeChat account to carry out these particular activities. So once you open a WeChat account, next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon right here. So after you click on the profile icon, head over to settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to account security. Then under the account security, go to WeChat Security Center. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to, then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to safety tools. Then under the safety tool right here, click on freeze account. That's going to take you right here. So if your WeChat account is compromised or your phone is lost, you can freeze WeChat ID. So what you need to do is to click on Start Freeze. Once you click on Start Freeze, follow the prompt and fill in the detail of the WeChat account that got lost or the phone number that you use on the particular load that you got lost. Once you fill up the detail, click on Freeze and the WeChat account is going to be freeze, and anyone that have access to the account will not be able to have access back to the account because the account has been freezed. Before you can unfreeze it, WeChat is going to ask you for your personal identification to be sure that you are the true owner of the account. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to freeze your WeChat account if your phone lost or your WeChat account is compromised. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about WeChat account security, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.